magic handkerchiefs. Have a look at this knot. I put the dark one down along my arm and the light one right across it like that, in the form of a cross. And to wrap it up securely, I bring the white one under and then over, like that. No trickery there. So I'm going to make it more secure by bringing the dark one under and over the light one. No trickery there. Bring the two tails of the green one there, the two tails of the white one here, pull the knot tight, and isn't that amazing? Have a look over my shoulder. This is how you'll see it when you come to do it. The dark one running away from you, and the light one in a cross over it. Take the right-hand side of the light one, put it under and over the dark one, working down towards you. Take this end towards you of the dark one, put it under and over the light one, back towards you. Two tails of the dark one below, two tails of the light one above, and pull. Bet you can't do it.
I want to know.